Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this animation in a Canva in a few minutes. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to create content for you. But now, let's get started. So, I already opened the new Canva video page. So the first thing what we need this letter D with capital. This has to be a letter where we have this hole to the text going through. Even through we can do it with R or P, but that's not that easy. With this D, it's way easier, or we can also do it with B, but the text has to be much smaller. So the D is this ideal letter for it. And I changed the letter, so the font type to Anton. I saw it before, and here is the Anton. Because, as you can see, the right side of the D is a straight line, which is important because we will add a square next to it attaching to the letter to hide the moving element. So just moving to the position middle like this and changing the color to red. So the next thing is we just have to download this. Download as the highest, no, not MP4, PNG, the highest quality as possible, just to make the video much nicer. So I just uploading a picture, sorry, and cutting it a bit like this, moving to here actually, and duplicate it. Yeah, I forgot to remove the background. Also have to remove background on this. So I have to overlapping the two letters, changing the background color to black. Maybe select the whole thing and just increase the size to this. And now increasing the size again and have to cut the D in the top till we hit the edge of the D. I hope so it's really how I want. Yeah. Okay. Like this. Position, okay, to top. This one is in the top. Okay, nice. And now we have to duplicate the page and going to the left, and I can select the whole thing, I mean the two letters together, and moving to the left, hovering the mouse between the two pages, add transition, match and move, changing the speed. So when I'm playing with the timeline, you can see this D is moving from the left to the right. This is what we need now. And add a new header, typing the missing part of the text. We can even change the font to the same Anton or any other font type. I can increase the size a bit like this. Okay. And now one thing is missing. Now first I will do the animation. So that's click on animate, create an animation, and this is not always working as the first time. Now it's working good. Like this. Good, now it was working properly. So the important thing, we have to hold the shift button, because if we hold the shift button, we are locking the elevation. So even if you're moving a mouse a bit up and down, this line, the animation will be a straight line. So I don't keep it as original. I'm going to steady and just the speed. Okay, speed is already very slow. I just even a bit slower and it's done. So I just need to check the position. So position, and this D I have to be above of the text. And here we have this, we see the animation starts here. So the animation, I just starting here. Because, oops, sorry. I made a mistake. This is the animation. So I was wrong. Yes. As you can see, the D is moving from the left to the right. And when it stops, the text is coming from the right. I would like to see something. So if I start the text, yes, you can see this. Okay. Now it's good. So I just remove this additional red line. So if I cut it wrongly, the letter in the top. And now we just need to do one thing, because I would like to hide. Something is wrong. Something is definitely wrong. Here both text letter is here. Both letter. Here are also. Why is it animated differently? So this one, I just copying from here, and here I just deleting, adding here, and moving to the same position. Yes. So something was wrong when okay, I think I know what was the issue. I cut it on the second page, and I didn't cut it on the first page because it's in this case two letters are not the same. So now I just need to do one thing. I would like to hide this portion. So I'm going to the elements, adding a shape. Yes, changing the color to black. And now let's see what is going on. So this letter is moving to right, the D stops, the text is coming from the left, so from the right to the left. And as you can see, when I use this square, I block the text here. So the animation really goes through how I want. Or also could be one additional trick. I just didn't try it before. So if I'm going to the first page and select both, decreasing the size, moving to the center, I would like to see is it really Yes, it's even better animation now. You see, just the important thing, these two, I have to select both these two portion of the D, this right side and a whole. Otherwise, it's not working properly. And you also have to keep in mind, if I change one thing in one page, the other pages also has to be changed the same way. Otherwise, it's not working. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in a comment section if you're struggling anything in a Canva. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description where you can find tons of another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text-to-image prompts for different kind of AI tools. So if you are interested on this area also, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned already, you can find a link in the description. In the description, you can find also the links for my TikTok and Instagram pages, where you can find lots of short Canva tutorials. So please feel free to check them also. As I mentioned already, you can find links in the description. But now, this tutorial is really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.